National Weather Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Greene County in south central Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, Rock County in south central Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, western Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Cottage Grove to Edgerton to Footville to Durand and moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Waterloo and Janesville Airport around 6 o'clock p.m. Lake Mills and Beloit around 6:05 p.m. Jefferson and Fort Atkinson around 6:10 p.m. Watertown Airport in Watertown around 6:15 p.m. Darien around 6:20 p.m. Sharon and Palmyra around 6:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Busseyville, Epton, Emerald Grove, Hubbleton, Tiffany, Chaupier, Milford, Johnstown Center, Avalon, and Richmond. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is NOAA's Weather Radio, KX-541 Crystal.